Welcome to the exciting world of SAP SD, short for Sales and Distribution. This module is a cornerstone of the SAP ERP system, designed to streamline and optimize the sales and distribution processes of a business. This powerful module helps businesses manage everything from taking customer orders to shipping products and sending invoices. It integrates seamlessly with other SAP modules, ensuring a smooth flow of information and operations across the entire organization. It's like a well-oiled machine that keeps everything running smoothly. Imagine having a system that not only tracks your sales but also manages your inventory, monitors your deliveries, and handles your billing processes all in one place. But navigating SAP SD can feel like learning a new language, especially with all the codes and commands. The interface can be daunting at first, and the sheer number of functionalities might seem overwhelming. Don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. Our goal is to make this journey as smooth and enjoyable as possible, guiding you step by step through the complexities of SAP SD. In this journey, we'll explore essential T-codes, the shortcuts that unlock the power of SAP SD. These T-codes are your keys to navigating the system efficiently and effectively. Think of T-codes as magic words that instantly take you to specific tasks within the system. They save you time and effort, making your workflow more efficient. Whether you're creating a sales order, scheduling a delivery, or generating an invoice, there's a T-code for that. Each T-code is designed to perform a specific function, helping you to complete your tasks quickly and accurately. So buckle up and get ready to master the language of SAP SD with our easy-to-understand guide to essential T-codes. Let's get started. With our help, you'll be navigating SAP SD like a pro in no time. In the world of SAP SD, T-codes are your best friends. These short, snappy codes are like shortcuts that take you directly to specific functions within the system. Instead of clicking through multiple menus, you simply type in the T-code and voila, you're there. This saves you time and makes using SAP SD much easier. Each T-code represents a specific action or task. For example, VA01 is the T-code for creating a new sales order, while VF01 is used for creating invoices. Throughout this guide, we'll introduce you to many important T-codes and explain what they do. By learning these codes, you'll be well on your way to mastering SAP SD. Sales orders are the lifeblood of any business, driving revenue and ensuring customer satisfaction. In SAP SD, they take center stage, acting as the foundation for all subsequent processes. A sales order is created every time a customer places an order for your products or services, whether online, over the phone, or in person. To manage sales orders efficiently, you'll use three essential T-codes in SAP SD. VA01. This T-code is your go-to for creating new sales orders. It's the starting point for capturing customer demand. You'll input all the necessary details like customer information, products ordered, quantities, and pricing. This ensures that all relevant data is captured accurately. VA02. Need to make changes to an existing sales order? This T-code is designed for modifications. VA02 allows you to modify orders such as updating quantities, adding or removing items, or adjusting delivery dates. This flexibility is crucial for meeting customer needs. VA03. VA03 lets you view sales orders in detail. It's your window into the status of each order. This is helpful for checking order status, tracking shipments, or reviewing order history. It provides transparency and helps in managing customer expectations. These three T-codes form the backbone of sales order processing in SAP SD, ensuring that every order is handled efficiently and accurately. By mastering them, you'll be well equipped to manage the entire sales order lifecycle, from creation to fulfillment, ensuring smooth operations and satisfied customers. Once a sales order is created, it's time to deliver the goods. This is where delivery processing comes in. SAP SD provides a streamlined way to manage deliveries, ensuring your products reach customers on time. Here are the key T-codes for delivery processing. VL01N. This T-code is used to create new deliveries based on sales orders. You'll specify which items are being shipped, the quantities, and the planned delivery date. VL02N. Need to make changes to a delivery? VL02N allows you to modify existing deliveries such as updating delivery dates, quantities, or shipping information. VL03N. This T-code is for viewing deliveries. Use it to track shipment progress, check delivery status, and review delivery documents. Mastering these T-codes will make you a pro at managing deliveries and ensuring smooth and timely shipments to your valued customers. After you've shipped the goods, it's time to get paid. The billing process in SAP SD takes care of creating and managing invoices. Here are the essential T-codes for billing. VF01. This T-code is your go-to for creating invoices. It allows you to generate invoices based on completed deliveries, ensuring you bill for the correct items and quantities. VF02. Need to make changes to an invoice? VF02 allows you to modify existing invoices such as correcting errors, adjusting prices, or adding information. VF03. VF03 is used to view invoices. You can use it to check invoice details, track payment status, and review billing history. By mastering these T-codes, you'll streamline your billing process, reduce errors, and ensure timely payment for your goods or services. Section 6. Pricing and conditions. Setting the right price. Setting the right price for your products is crucial for any business. SAP SD provides powerful tools for managing pricing and discounts through condition records. Here are the key T-codes for pricing. VK11. This T-code is used to create new condition records. You can define prices for specific products, customer groups, or time periods. VK12. Need to change a price or discount? VK12 allows you to modify existing condition records to reflect changes in pricing or special offers. VK13. VK13 lets you view condition records. Use it to analyze pricing, check discounts, and ensure your pricing is accurate and up to date. By understanding these T-codes, you can effectively manage pricing, implement discounts, and ensure your sales transactions are profitable. Section 7. Material Master, the foundation of your products. Before you can sell anything in SAP SD, you need to define your products or services. This is a crucial step because it lays the groundwork for all subsequent processes in the system. This is where the Material Master comes in. The Material Master is essentially the backbone of your product data management in SAP. It acts as a central repository for all the information related to your products. This includes everything from basic descriptions to more complex data like pricing and inventory levels. Here are the key T-codes for Material Master. These transaction codes are essential for creating, updating, and viewing your material data. MM01. This T-code is used to create new material masters. When you create a new material master, you input all the essential details of your products. You'll define all the essential details of your products such as descriptions, units of measure, and pricing information. This ensures that your product data is accurate and comprehensive. MM02. Need to update product information? This T-code allows you to make necessary changes to your existing material masters. MM02 allows you to modify existing material masters, such as changing descriptions, adding new attributes, or updating pricing. This flexibility is crucial for maintaining accurate and up-to-date product information. MM03. This T-code is for viewing material masters. It provides a comprehensive view of all the details associated with a particular product. Use it to check product details, review pricing, and ensure your product information is accurate. This is particularly useful for auditing and verification purposes. A well-maintained material master is essential for accurate sales order processing, inventory management, and pricing. It ensures that all departments have access to consistent and reliable product information, which is critical for smooth business operations. Section 8. Beyond the Basics. Exploring other essential T-codes. While we've covered the core T-codes in SAP SD, there are many others that can streamline your daily tasks. Here are a few more to explore. VD01. Create Customer Master. Before you can create sales orders, you need to define your customers in the system. VD01 is used to create new Customer Master records. XD01. Create Customer Master centrally, similar to VD01, but used for creating Customer Masters in a centralized system. IMG Implementation Guide. The IMG is your go-to for configuring and customizing SAP SD to fit your specific business requirements. By exploring these and other T-codes, you can unlock even more of SAP SD's potential and optimize your sales and distribution processes. Section 9 Conclusion. Your journey to mastering SAP SD continues. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps into the world of SAP SD and learned about the power of T-codes. These shortcuts are your key to navigating the system efficiently and effectively managing your sales and distribution processes. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these T-codes, the more comfortable you'll become with SAP SD. Don't be afraid to explore and experiment with different functions. As you continue your SAP SD journey, remember that there's always more to learn. Embrace the challenge and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve.